favourite people in the Czech Republic and Holland. They give a shit about that. Especially in the Czech Republic. They're like European Union's like, oh, you can't smoke in bars in Czech, like, fuck that.
Got movement up top.
There's a couple going over the top on the road. 4 of them.
4?
Yeah.
Pedro. I think it's Pedro too.
Oh, yeah.
How many fallen short of that?
I'm here.
Yeah.
One more shooter behind there, mate. I only see 2 come out and 3 go in.
Right.
No, you saw Dave.
No, I didn't. I saw Tyler running there.
Yeah, I saw Tyler.
Hey?
I saw Tyler as well.
Yeah, he's still in there then.
Okay.
Will came out. Tyler's still in.
I'm going to finish our peace conference yet.
No.
Thank you for the pack. That's no bonus.
Yeah.
Want me out?
Hit! Oh, one went right up my nose! Okay.
Oh, come on. Just get me a 0 now.
When I go, you come to here. Be careful because there's a sniper watching. On the hill. Alright? Missed.
There you are, Jay, you traitorous fucking.
Good, they're moving left.
There, like right at the bottom there, right up the bridge.
battery's dead.
Just a few pockets of them left. So they're protecting that back area now.
Two in the shooting gallery, or at the back of it, somewhere around. Okay.
Yeah, they're all moving up on the right. They've got nowhere to come out of the back from the gallery entrances, mate. Cabin secured there. Get the fuck out, bitch. We've got all doors covered. There's no other way in.
I'm getting fire from somewhere.
Cabin outside.
Okay, I get the message. Yeah, I know.
Move back. Behind cover.
5 metres, we're alright.
Take your ass out of there, ass. Stay back down there, mate. Hey, got him. Come on, Dave, coming your way.